Nandita, would you get behind?
I'd love you to train me
of a product, yeah,
and
use it. No, because you've made films, you've been in front of the
Right.
camera, you've been behind the camera. You know, would you ever step into that kind of a place where you're deploying AI to unleash your creativity?
Absolutely.
For a film?
I mean, absolutely. And, I would love to explore it. I'd love to learn. And I'd love to see how it can enable, collaborate, enhance the work we are doing.
Right.
But without sort of losing, like I say, the social conscience of it, without the creativity of it, without making films a science.
Right.
Already, I mean, before AI came in, when abhi hamare paas bhi hain, like mainstream, I don't want to name anybody, but everybody, like mostly when you make a mainstream film, you go to these agencies, they do, they show it to a bunch of people, you have to fill in forms. Ye iska ending sahi nahi tha. This character needs to be a man. They suggest certain changes and then they incorporate it. They do a little, so it's like a science, right? You kind of tweak it. It's not really your vision then. You tweak it and you tailor it. Now you will just give it to an AI and say, hey, tell me, is this going to make money? Is this, is this not hurting anybody's sentiments? Whatever the prompt may be. Is this going to be, is the ending right? And it's going to give you 5 options. So it's slowly, if art is going to become science, then that's going to be sad. Because art is all about alchemy. Art is about not knowing what's going to emerge. We shoot, I write a script, we shoot it, the actors bring something different, the cinematographer, some magic happens on set suddenly that day, you change it, then on the editing table. So there is that journey, that process is what people like us, I'm assuming, enjoy.
Absolutely.
But if you can hasten certain aspects of it, if you can help us experiment more, if you can widen our creative thought process, all of that is amazing. But I'm not sure, if
एक
all of
सवाल
art
निशांत
should...
मैं आपसे लेना
You're
चाहूंगी
getting live product inputs, by the way.
Yeah.
From
Loving
someone
it.
who
Absolutely.
wants to make a film using
Oh,
AI.
absolutely. I'll connect with you after this, and there are enough witnesses that, now you'll have to commit.